Hi everyone, welcome back to Blue Heaven's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create this beautiful glamorous look. Starting off with the Flawless Makeup Primer, it has a silicone texture that helps to minimize the pores and gives blurry effect, ensuring smooth application of makeup that lasts all day. Next is the Flawless Foundation, and the consistency is just like a mousse that makes it very lightweight and comfortable. It has a buildable coverage and stay all day without budging. Following up with the Get Bright Liquid Concealer, it helps to hide all my dark circles, spots, and the doe foot applicator makes the application so easy, has medium to high coverage and blends seamlessly. Next up, I'm going to set my face with the Get Bright Compact Powder. It gives a matte finish look and prevent the makeup from creasing. Creating the sultry eye look using 9-in-1 Bling eyeshadow palette, using the brown shade to enhance my crease so that it forms a shadow. Next, I'm going to pack in the gold shimmer shade on the inner side to pop the eye look. Next, the Hyper Sketch eyeliner to draw a wing. The tip makes the application very precise. Tying the entire look using Lash Twist Mascara. Look at the volume. I just love it. Next, I'm going to use this Kiss and Blush stick to add a little color on my face. This blends like a butter and is very pigmented. Lastly, using the Roseate Lip Blurring Cream to give my lip a little blurry effect. Not intense color, but something that looks very natural and flirty. Hope you guys like the look. All the products are tagged in. Make sure to check them out.